Apparently the fender flare is trying to leave the chat. It just started flopping like crazy in the wind here.
It didn't want to make the show.
No. Damn.
You want to unscrew it here?
Yeah, we're gonna have to unscrew it. Let me grab some tools. So we were able to just remove Phillips screw and pull the flare off. We stuck it in the back end, and we're gonna continue on. Thankfully, it was a guy in a Jeep, just pulled over and just to make sure we were good. And super nice guy, chatted with him for just a second. But we're back on the road, rolling. It's gonna be a little later than we thought, but oh well, we're having fun. It's a beautiful day. And we made it, finally, inside the Velodrome. So, a lot of cool stuff to see. Already visiting with some people. Should be a good day. We got all of them here, from the classics to the newer stuff to the newest one back there. Man, some of these Supras are just sick. Example of a car that's driven. Stone chips and dings, mud flaps and rally tires. This one gets used. Pretty cool. Don't see too many of these. Two-door, all-wheel drive. It's a pretty neat car. RC350. I like it. This is what you see when you get walking in this year. Last year, Stomper was like right there. There's a lot of cars in here this year. This year, the theme is more sports-oriented cars. There's a ton of super cool stuff in here. ITBs, equal length long tube. Pretty crazy looking little car. It's a pretty sick build. It's a pretty sick overland looking build with the whole back end of the Land Cruiser cut off. Copper Family Adventures. Man, is this thing neat. Super cool. Tent, fridge hanging out. Pretty sick.
227-296.
That's all I want's one of those. Is that so much to ask for? GT4 RS? Sick. Just gassing up the old pig for the ride home. How much gas did we take? 16.744. We went 230 miles. What was that? Just coming out of Bridgeport Arby's, where we had a decent dinner. Time for the rest of the ride home. Yay. And it's still daylight, so you might as well take the fun way home as you're coming home. I mean, why wouldn't you? So we turned off of M113 onto Hodge Road. We're gonna take the back way back to the house because the truck's way too shiny for me.